So as low you go with your hip, you're going to feel deeper stretching on your left side hip and glutes area. Could be even inner thigh in your left leg. You can hold it, that's okay. If someone is more flexible, you can try to cross your left foot to your right side. But your left hip is off the floor, so avoid sitting right now on the floor. As higher your hip on your left, that's going to increase the stretching. If you need some support, you can use a block if you've got, or a pillow, or just roll blanket or towel to support left side if you need to. Stay higher with your arms straight, or if you're ready to increase the stretch even more, resting on your elbows. So you need to find which position, which option in this stretching works for you today. That could change later on as you're going to practice more. Controlling breaths. Deep breath in and slowly out. Avoid pulling head to the floor. Try to hold your head higher than your shoulders, than your chest level. It'll be too long to hold. Always you can lift your chest a little, supporting with one or both hands. And now let's rock. So if you've got something underneath your left, please remove it right now. So now, as you inhale, going to sit on your left side, and as you exhale, try to rock to your right. So really feel you rocking your hips. Inhale from your left, exhale to your right. And one more. Find a position you hold. Just make sure you're not sitting right now on your left side. So if you need to, bring in the support or just hold it like me. Always feel the stretch, the pulling sensation, but no pain. This is important. I want to cross the moment you feel pain during the stretching, because that's the sign you're just trying to force too much. Okay, so now place your hands, back foot, toes stuck under to lift your right knee and hips, to move your knees together again to forward position. And now with your right leg, bring it to your side, and first just rock left and right.